Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another based website. Right now I share with you the withdrawal proof, and the mining website is 100% free, and you can join with 100% free and you can make withdrawal. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. This website link available in description. You can see I have this much Bitcoin in my balance. I just click withdrawal in here, and I make much more withdrawal like Litecoin. Right now I just click Bitcoin, I just click request for withdrawal, and you can see this website tell you if you want to in this account will be send you your withdrawal. It's mean in this wallet address. Okay, I put my wallet address before. I just click confirm, and you can see this will be good in the pending. So pending, it just take 1 hour or 2 hours. This website send me my amount. Okay, this website is 100% free. I make withdrawal from here 2 times. This is the amount I withdraw, and daily I earn 1,000 or 2,000 Satoshi from here, and this website is 100% free. I just wait 1 hour and then I start video again. Okay guys, after 3 hours I receive my amount. You can see this is the receivement. I receive my amount. This website is 100% light website, and you can earn much more, and I make without investment. You all know I received this much Bitcoin, and thanks for watching guys. Bye bye for now.